the words from my mouth are just like sticking inside your brain, sort of like when you toss a fistful of sand to a blob of gum while a sand sticks to the gum. So you're like staring at me like because all this gum is clogging your thoughts and your memory. You're like totally stupefied. It's like you're unable to come up with your own thoughts, and like you are totally dependent on the voice of the person who's speaking. And when you try to think of something like today's date, where you are, or even your own name, you're totally unable to do because your mind is stuck. Stuck like glue. Stuck, stuck, stuck. So all you can do is stare into space with a big, stupid smile on your face. And you forget what you are thinking altogether, you can't even remember one moment to the next. Like you're trying to think, but your mind is too slow, and like you just stop thinking and stare at the person in front of you, and the person have to tell you exactly what to think. And now you are like a zombie, sort of, except zombies have no brains, and you have a giant gum as your brain. And like zombies have zombie masters, and zombie masters made the zombies so like he totally gets to tell a zombie what to do. And like your giant gum in your brain is in my mouth right now. So like I'm your zombie master. Oh, and since I'm a girl, I'm more like, totally your brain's mistress. So like I totally get to tell you what to do. It's like a hypnotist gets to tell his subject what to do. I am like your brain's hypnotist. A hypnotist hypnotizes